Narrow AI. AI systems designed and trained for a specific task or narrow set of tasks. All current AI systems are narrow AI. They excel in their domain but cannot generalize outside it. Why it matters? Narrow AI is what exists today and what powers all current AI applications. Understanding its limitations prevents over-reliance and misplaced expectations. Think of it this way. Like a world-class concert pianist who cannot change a tire. Extraordinary skill in one area does not mean capability in others. For example, AlphaGo can defeat world champions at Go, but cannot play checkers, hold a conversation, or make a sandwich. It is brilliant within its narrow domain and useless outside it.